Ready to supercharge your application's security by adding temporary phone number functionality using Plivo and PHP. First, you'll need a Plivo account, so head over to Plivocon and sign out if you haven't already. After logging in, locate your Auth ID and Auth token. These are your keys to accessing the Plivo API. Next, let's set up your PHP project. Create a new directory for your project, and within that, create an index file, a separate Plivo_config file to store your sensitive Plivo credentials, and an includes folder to house any supporting PHP files. Inside Plivo_config, define constants for your Auth ID and Auth token. Remember to keep this file secure and never commit it to public repositories. Now, in your index file, include the Plivo PHP library using Composer Autoload, and then initialize the Plivo RestAPI object, passing your Auth ID and Auth token as parameters. This sets up the connection to Plivo's services. To rent a temporary number, use the Plivo API to search for available numbers based on your desired country code and other filters. Once you find a suitable number, rent it using the numberSend method. Be sure to handle the AP or response to confirm the rental was successful. You can use the rented number to send and receive SMS messages. Implement a webhook endpoint to handle incoming messages and use the messageScreate method to send outbound messages. This allows you to build a full temporary number interaction. Finally, after you no longer need the temporary number, release it through the Plivo dashboard or programmatically using the API. This keeps your costs down and ensures numbers are available for others.